Okay, Kristen, you wanted a video of the storm, the hurricane. Well, this is the morning after, right here. I'm out in the middle of it. Let's see. We got some trees down right here. As you see, that's those are the ones that were alongside Papa's yard where we used to mow. Those are all broke down and uprooted. It's kind of windy out. Stuff's flying around. But I wanted to give you a good video. So, here's the porch. You can see tires on this truck, flooding and everything. Some of the trees next door in that yard snapped. See? But it is almost over with, and I wanted to get out here and give you some good shots. Oh, and by the way, I know you're probably thinking, why are you out there in the middle of that hurricane? Well, because I can. And you're not here to stop me. You say no. Yeah, that's right, I'm misbehaving. This is wild though, man. It is wild. The wind gusts are up to about 95, 96 miles an hour. 1 minute everything's calm, next minute, you know. Here, I don't know if you can see the trees and stuff around here blowing. You can definitely hear the wind, for sure. Yeah, this is a Category 1. It's fixed to downgrade to a tropical storm. Can you believe this thing went out? Man, trying to enjoy a cigar out here in the middle of a hurricane. I say a hurricane, son. Where is my lighter? You got a light? Oh, never mind. I'll get one. I'm gonna squat down over here by Papa's truck. There we go. Oh, by the way, smoking is not good for your health. Okay? Don't do as I do. Do as I say do. So, with that being said, yeah, Papa's shed out here is trying to come apart. You can see right there, that piece is really, you know, if you're out here, get your stupid butt in the house, but you're not out here, and I am. Oh wow, got a little shed come apart on Papa's thing. See it? Right there? Yeah, that thing. Anyhow, there you go. Look across the street. Look at those trees. Man, they are blowing. Kingsland, Georgia. September 11th, 2017. Irma. Actually, it sounds better like this. 2017. Irma. Will you survive the apocalypse? Yeah, there was this one lady, she keeps on the news, she keeps calling Hurricane Irma, Irma. Everyone else says Irma, but she says Irma. I just call it Frank. Anyhow. Well, I'm going back in here now. It's all starting to rain and everything. Getting a little wet. Alright, bud. Well, I'll give you another video here shortly, but here's those trees one more time. What do you think of that? Yes, sir. All gone like dominoes. All right, love you. And give me a call sometime. So, when you're with your girlfriend, like to talk to her, meet her, you know what I mean? Anyhow, bud, I love you. I'll see you a little bit later. I'll keep mama safe. Bye.